Introducing the 2018 Jeep Wrangler. A wealth of standard features mean that you no longer have to sacrifice, such as remote keyless entry, front and rear reading lights, a leather steering wheel, a trip computer, front fog lights, skid plates, a trailer hitch, and a split folding rear seat. Jeep ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, integrated rollover protection, traction control, brake assist, a security system, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. With electronic stability control supplementing mechanical systems, you'll maintain precise command of the roadway. We have a skilled and knowledgeable sales staff with many years of experience satisfying our customers' needs. Come on in and take a test drive.